Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got another CooDeals unboxing for you today. There was one up on my channel a few days ago. However, CooDeals have made changes. So I have got an extra painting to unbox, but also to show you the changes, and I kind of like them. So into the painting firstly. So this one is a 30 by 40. You still get your name on your diamond paintings. So in this instance, I get Add More Zest, which is fun. You do still get your inventory sheet, which has, this is a round painting, so we have round symbols and it tells us the DMC number, so you can use this for kitting up if you want to. So the painting I chose to show you the new packaging is this mushroom house. I thought it was fun and full of colour. It is, I say, a round, this one. It is 27 different colours and it's a 30 by 40 on poured glue. So poured glue's a win for me anyway. The actual diamond painting size, or the drill area, is 25 by 35. And you do get a nice toolkit. So I class this as a nicer toolkit because it's got the white tray. It does have some wax and a pen, and it does give you a 3-placer. So if you want to try multi-placing. But this is where they have improved their packaging. So in the past, you would get the diamonds in the individual little packets that had about 200 per packet. So for some colours you'd get multiple packets, for some colours you'd only get one. They have gone to baggies, which is so much nicer for kitting up. It really does make a difference. When you've been diamond painting a while, you'll know. If you know, you know. Kitting up with baggies is so much nicer because you're not opening multiple different bags. So this may have given you 3. Let's have a look. 4. No, 3. So there's 431 diamonds in this, and they give you 3 grams worth. So 431 for number 1, which is DMC number 154. So it tells you it's number 1 on the bag. And yeah, you would have had 3 different baggies to open to kit this up, and now you have 1. Need I say more? Kitting up is an enjoyable process. I really like it. However, I do much prefer these baggies. So this is number 27, which goes for number 27Z. So what's this one? Oh, this one, by the looks of it, the bag has had a little bit of an explosion. So they have re-put number 18 in there to make sure. They have also, I've just noticed that it is on some. Let me see if it is on. So for some of them, where they just have the number, they have it underlined to make sure that you get it the right way up. For the number 6, it is 06. It's not the best colour diamond to show you. There we go. So it does say 06, or it has the number underlined, depending on which style bags they are on. But the point that it's in bags is absolutely amazing, in my opinion. We do also have some with stickers, but they are also underlined so that you do get your numbers right. Number 24 is underlined, whereas number 23, you're not going to get that upside down the same way. But for number 6, it is 06, but then bags that have this black label on are underlined. So it's a mixture of bags in this one while they find their style, but the fact that it's in bags, I love. It's a lot easier to show you the colours as well, well, when I've not messed with it. It's a lot easier to show the colours because they do tend to line them up. So there is a few bright colours that I've managed to hide because I've been messing. But we do have some bright orange, nice limey green. It's not quite lime green, it's 703, but it's definitely limey green for some nice bright colours. We've got some red in there. We've also got some hot pink I've just seen. Got some hot pink as well as the muted colours. So the bright colours just bring these little pops of colour in around the mushrooms. But yes, great choice, CooDeals. Very impressed with that. This, of course, when I get the paintings, I tend to get a month or two's unboxings at the same time, just to save them time and me. It has come, all my order has come wrapped in bubble wrap. It also has polystyrene in there where needed, to make sure that the package is one sort of uniform size because there's different sizes of paintings. So they've used polystyrene where they need to, they've wrapped the whole thing in bubble wrap, and then they've put it into a bag so that it is waterproof. So they've got the waterproof bag, they've got the bubble wrap, they've got the polystyrene where needed. I don't have it in all of them. It really does depend on the sizes chosen to make sure that it gets to me safely. So if you were thinking of checking out CooDeals but maybe the packaging was putting you off, then they've now gone to baggies, which I'm ever so grateful for. As much as those cute little bags, I used to like them when I first started diamond painting. I enjoyed the process of counting them out and checking them off. I soon got over it, and baggies are definitely for me. So awesome news from CooDeals. Thank you to them so much for sending me this painting so that I could show you all, because I had already filmed the August video when the changes happened. But stay tuned for, of course, more unboxings in the upcoming months where we will have the new baggy packaging to have a look at. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.